Lachai sind in Kajach. Jetzt der mit den nächsten Wochen noch nicht uns Kindes in Gesinns und Maß uns Rücken so in Statisch mal und Fußball nehmen wir. Das ist ein Spiel auf eine Hasidic Rabbi, wie wir trocken so Social Media Ditchiv. The Hasidic Rabbi Walkli so Amen. Hina el Yossi Eftach v'lo Yafchad ki az ibis Maswadig Noi v'Hilo Shishapta Mamisus and Mani Shil Adonai Shalom Chavichas Echsalo Adonai Tzvoi Simoni Miskavlon Kavsala Adonai Tzvoi Simoni Miskavlon Ilhei Kavsala Adonai Tzvoi Simoni Miskavlon Kavsala Adonai Tzvoi Sashir Demetechbach Adonai Tzvoi Sashir Demetechbach Adonai Tzvoi Sashir Demetechbach Adonai Hashia Malchidim Kuni Adonai Hashia Malchidim Adonai Hashia Milfi Aleni Vim Kraini Vayidim Hoysar V'Simcha V'Susayin Vikar Kain Tiluni Kain Tiluni Kois Ishio Seso B'Shem Adonai Kos Amron Baruch Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Barei Pri Gofen Baruch Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Barei Mini B'Sumim Ha 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 ha. Baruch Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Barei Mari Hoeish. Baruch Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Hamavdil Ben Kodesh L'Chol Ben Or L'Choshech Ben Yisrael U'Amim Ben Yom Hashvi Ben L'Sheish Yimei HaMaseh Baruch Adonai Hamavdil Ben Kodesh L'Chol. Vergiss die Woche. Baruch Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Defen Valpia Gefen Valtnus Sada. Let's come to Teva Chavish with this one Chaltal of singing. Welcome my peer will explain what you want. Baruch Adonai Alles von mich Chol Chatu Saini Yemchel Saini V'Chasvaini Yar Bekachol Bekakoi Chovim B'Halayla Yoim Po'an Ram Hashemer Asa V'Ker V'Gaham Layla Tzkos Chol Kahar Tavor Al Chatuai Avor Tavor Yoim Esmonki Avor Vashmurav Alayla Chol Kali Valiant Talm Sachli Shahamni Talm Sharoshin Imla Etnafid Yom Vinesha Verab Yom Bishan Lahila Christicha Ishiani Arachaim Toriani Vidalus Tavatsani Miyam Yad Laila Tartan of Masai Penur Machisai I know I say nice Miras Balila Nach Viat Kakachim Slav Nal Kalvachim Yom Liam Yabioi Mevalaila Laila Amavdil Ben Kodesh L'Chol Chati Saini Yem Chol Zareini B'Chamasl Amavdil Ben Kodesh L'Chol Chati Saini Yem Chol Zareini B'Chasbaini Abekechol L'Kechol Ben Balayla Mechuel Sa Yisruel Eliyahu V'Gal Yavohina Imagoyel Kimi Chatay Saini Yimchol Zraini B'Chasbaini Abekechol V'Kakoi Chavim Balayla Titan Luni Shviatoy Valon גם נתיב מאדינוי יבוא יתוי וגם הדינוי ייתן יתוי כל היום וכל הלילה המבדיל בין קודש לחול חתיסה חול זרני מחסבייני יער וככל וככוכבים בשמיים. I'll get to Chevra watching. We had, I don't know, one point said 26, I don't know. Anyway, we'll just say one idea, one story that brings a big idea. So, Monday night and Tuesday this week, Chof Gimel Elul, is the yard side of Reb Uri of Strelisk. So my Rebbe, Koblentzer Rebbe, Zol Chesed Sein, Moshe ben Reis, he always likes to tell this story of Reb Uri of Strelisk. So Reb Uri, there were two Hasidim who were Hasidim of a certain Rebbe, and that Rebbe was Nifter, and they were looking for a new Rebbe. So they went to Reb Uri, and do you believe in Hashgacha Pratis? Do you believe in divine providence, in God's total sovereignty? They said, of course. Yeah, we're Hasidic Yidden, why not? We're Hasidic Jews, of course we believe in divine providence. So he said, come, let's look out the window. There's a wagon passing by laden with straw. Do you believe it was preordained from the 6 days of creation which piece of straw is above, which other piece to the left, to the right, below, and you see a piece fell off, which piece of straw falls off of the wagon, exactly at what time? Do you believe that all of that is ordained from the 6 days of creation? They said, I don't know, that's a little far-fetched. They said, the Rebbe said, get out of my face, Reb Uri, get out of my face, you're a shoyim, I can't even look at your face, you're wicked heretics, you don't believe in Hashgacha Pratis, you don't believe in divine providence. So they felt very dejected and they ran away. They started to contemplate this message. And they thought to themselves as follows: to human beings, gold is very valuable. And silver is also valuable, but less valuable than gold. And copper is also valuable, but less valuable than silver or gold. But a piece of paper, a piece of straw, if there's nothing special written on the paper, just a piece of straw, it's like nobody cares about it, because we're human beings. But God, in His sovereignty and in His providence, to Him, there's no difference between even the biggest galaxy and the smallest subatomic particle, because God is infinite. He surrounds all worlds, He fills all worlds. Time and space, a piece of straw, something. That's our human limitations. But God in His greatness, as it says in the Psalms, who was like the Lord our God, who comes down to sit, to look upon heaven and earth, meaning even for God to look upon heaven is, in a sense, a lowering of His greatness, fills all worlds, so we have that dichotomy of eminence and transcendence, because it's really all total unity. And so therefore, you don't have really any dichotomy, because it's total unity. And so if that's the case, of course, God's providence extends even to subatomic particle, and of course to a piece of straw, whatever it is. And they came back and they told this to Reb Uri, and he was mekabel them. He accepted them to be his disciples, to be his chassidim, and we should learn from this lesson to love God and to be in His greatness. After such a difficult week, to have now only some kindness to pursue us all the days of our lives, and we should only see good things, happy things, positive things, and take the tragedies and build something good. Thank you for joining us. Tonight I plan to go to Woodmere to Rabbi Weinberger. It's also going to be on YouTube on his channel, Eish Kodesh. for the slichas tonight, so I don't know if I'm going to go yet or not, but that's the plan. All right, we love you. Look at the vach. How do I turn this off?